Augie Sports Focus is brought to you by Schoenemann's.
Joining me now is Augustana track and field coach Tracy Hellman. Tracy, great to have you back on Augustana Sports Scene. It's the indoor track season at Augustana, and the Vikings are off and rolling here and doing very well. Tracy, talk about the meets, where you've been so far.
Yeah, we opened up at North Dakota State. It was a first meet just past January. Had some good performances, but it was really a meet just to see where we're at. And then we got rolling with, we went to USD, and then we had two Mankato meets in back-to-back weekends, and that's when we've really started to run fast, jump high, throw far, and we're really progressing at the right time. I feel that we're coming together and probably could be one of our best conference teams we've had.
Well, that's a great start, and let's start with the Augie ladies and talk about some of the really good performances.
Yeah,
so
we've
far.
had two national qualifiers so far, and those two young ladies, Bobby Jo Buick in the long jump, and this is the first year she's tried the long jump, so this is kind of a pleasant surprise. She's always been a strong sprinter for us. And then we have a girl from Norway, Cecilie Udstein, that's qualified in the 800, and so those two girls are on the national list. We've had a couple other kids that have placed really high in meets. Caitlin Polgren in the mile, Lynn Nielsen in the 1,000. And then our throwers are doing fairly strong too. So we're pretty balanced in the women, which is what you need in track.
Yeah, you bet. And then you're excited about the Augie guys.
Yeah, really, real excited. This is, again, the most balanced we've been in a number of years. We've always been strong in the distances, and those guys are really doing a good job. Matt Braithwaite, Matt Hesch, carrying us really well. But then we got some pleasant surprises. We have some sprinters doing well. Diego, we have a new guy, he's from the football team. He qualified, or not qualified, but he ran very fast in the 60 dash and 60 hurdles. Paul Mallory in the 60 hurdles has been running well for us. Then we got some middle distance guys. Brian Warner has been a conference leader in the 800 and the 1,000. So, things are coming together there.
Yeah, and you've got a couple of meets coming up, and then the conference championships. Talk about that.
Yeah, we go back to Mankato for the conference championships, and it's a good venue. We have goals of being in the top 3 in both men and women, and I think that's very attainable. Conference favorites, I think Mankato is the conference favorites, and we hope to do better than we did last year in indoor.
Well, that's the indoor season, and where are nationals at?
Nationals are in Albuquerque, New Mexico, in middle of March.
Nice warm place to go in March, so let's get a bunch of Augie tracksters in there. Well then, the season never ends for a cross-country track coach like Tracy, so we get traded off from the winter indoor season, and then we jump right into the outdoors. So talk about the schedule, the team for outdoor.
Yeah, outdoor we go south as much as we can. You got to go to where the warm weather is, and so we race a lot in Iowa. We go on to Nebraska. We open up the year at the Vance Butler Invitational here in Sioux Falls. That's April 2nd. It's on Friday. It's on Good Friday, and we expect 8 to 10 teams for that good, strong meet. And then a conference championship this year is being hosted by Morehead State, and that'll be a good opportunity to see how we do in the outdoor compared to indoor season.
Well, one thing too that I want to make sure we mention that folks are asking about is the new Larson Track and Field Complex here at Augustana. I'll just give the report, and then Tracy and I'll talk a little bit about how it's been going in between here. But our plans now are to begin construction on that new facility in the spring of 2011. We've got some fundraising to do, but we're going to get there. We've got some good plans, and we're excited about that. How's it been going here? You've been kind of the team without a home, without the outdoor venue. Of course, we have the nice indoor training facility, but your teams have really seemed to accept that.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think where we're at, the outdoor season isn't as long as the indoor season, so we have the benefit of having the Elman Center and our indoor track there to train. But I think the vision of what we want to get this facility to be is really the strong thing that we're keeping with, because once this is all said and done, it's going to be well worth the short wait we've had. So yeah, it's going to be a wonderful complex. We're excited about that. Tracy, you're having a great year in cross-country, track and field, so good luck to your teams. Yeah, thanks so much, Bill.
The Augustana Sports Calendar is next. We'll be right back.